Okay, so here's the Bosch split on the wall. It's about 3 years old. It's got a single inverter box out on the wall outside, which has started making a noise. This unit's okay, so we'll just switch it on. It's on the heat setting at the moment, so switch it on. That's starting up now. That's flashing, not quite sure why that's flashing. Anyway, let's quickly go out to the inverter and see what happens when you first switch it on. Yeah, here we go. There's a bit of a noise building up now. It's not the fan, I would say it's the compressor pump. Getting a bit noisier now. A bit closer. That noise will carry on now. Sometimes it gets a bit worse than that. These are for the pigeons here. Keep the pigeons off. This is the model number. And that is making quite a noise. And there's other units around here. There's a Toshiba. There's other units, and this is the noisiest one. I mean, we've got lots of inverter boxes here. Samsung up there, Sanyo down there, Mitsubishi, another Toshiba over there. But this one, in the night time, this is the one you really hear going. Go next door again. We changed noise there, went down a bit. And then here, oh, that's all nice and quiet. Stop flashing now. Lots of nice warm air coming out. No, it works, it's just the noise. It's the noise of the inverter outside, and I think it's going to start to bother the neighbours, to be honest. It's working nicely. So we go back outside again. Yeah. So I can hear the fan, that's quiet. But there's something else making a noise in there, and I don't know what it is. Touch the case. I feel vibration there. Let's try on the other side. can hear the fan, that's quiet. But there's another noise. So that's what needs to be fixed anyway.